If you are able, kindly stand and join us for the Star Spangled Banner, performed this evening by Amanda Hawkins.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars